Hello, I'm Elliot Tabush, Product Manager for Boxtop. Today I'm going to show you how to install Boxtop Client for Windows, also known as the VMware Client. So, first thing is we have to download the software. So the website that you're going to download from depends on your company. So if your email address is something like john@demo.com, the website you're going to go to is demo.goboxtop.com. So this part of the website comes from your domain name in your email. So let's navigate to that. So in this case, I'm going to go to demo.goboxtop.com. Yours would be something different, this portion of it. So on this page, I'm going to click on Install Boxtop Client. Now it's going to present me with different options for different operating systems, whether you're on Windows or Mac. In this case, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to go to Downloads. From here, I'm going to click Download. And now in the bottom left corner, you'll see it's starting to download. Okay, so now this software has finished downloading. I'm just going to click on it here. If you're using Internet Explorer, you may get a pop-up in the middle of the screen that you click Run to. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to click this. Then I'm going to get this pop-up. I'm going to click Agree and Install. Now I'm just going to let it go through the process. Okay, the install has finished, so I'm just going to click Finish here. For now, I'm going to do restart later, but it is recommended that you restart your computer after installing the software. Okay, so you'll see on the desktop you have a green icon for VMware Horlzon Client. That is the software you just installed, so you're going to go ahead and open that. It's going to ask you to add a server. So you're going to click that, and this is the name of the website that you just went to download the software. So in this case, I'm going to type in demo.goboxtop.com, but yours would be whatever your domain name is. So if your email address is john@demo.com, then I put in demo.goboxtop.com. If your email address is elliot@tabush.com, then you put in tabush.goboxtop.com. Then you would hit connect, and you're ready to put in your username and password. And that's all. Thank you.